Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 11th August 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So on this day means on 11th August in 1961, Dadar and Nagar Haveli was merged with India and was made a union territory. On 2nd August 1954, independence was received from the Portuguese rulers, and last year Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu were emerged into one union territory. So this is the history of the day. Now let's see the current affairs series part. So the first question of the current affair is on 15 August 2020 on the occasion of Independence Day, IDBI who will flag off the Federal Future Fearless Marathon. 15 अगस्त 2020 को स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पर IDBI फेडरल फ्यूचर फियरलेस मैराथन को हरी झंडी कौन दिखाएगा? एंड द आंसर इज सचिन तेंदुलकर. And let me tell you that it is to celebrate India's 73rd Independence Day, and the goal of this marathon is to make every Indian feel free and establish the under positivity of each of them at this time. Now the second question is, the 23-year-old Morikawa has won the PGA Championship 2020. Which sport is associated with this championship? 23 वर्षीय मोराकावा के PGA चैम्पियनशिप 2020 जीतकर क्या रैंकिंग किस खेल से जुड़ी है? एंड द आंसर इज इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू गोल्फ, एंड दिस इज मोरिकावाज थर्ड टाइटल विन दैट सिंस कोरोना resumed the golf. Now moving towards the third question. So Italy's club Juventus has selected the most valuable player of the year for 2019-20 सीजन. इटली के क्लब यूवेंटस ने 2019-20 सीजन के लिए मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल प्लेयर ऑफ द ईयर किसे चुना है? एंड द आंसर इज क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो हैज़ बीन सिलेक्टेड, and this season is the world's best striker, scored 37 goals for his team and also surpassed Felice Brull's 80-year-old record of scoring the most goals in the season. Now the fourth question is, in which state has the National Worm Liberation Campaign has been started? किस राज्य में राष्ट्रीय कृमि मुक्ति अभियान की शुरुआत की गई है? And the answer is in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and under this campaign children from 1 year of age to 19 year of age will be fed worm control medicine. The first phase was started from August 10 and this campaign will be carried out for the next 10 days. Now moving toward the fifth question and the last question of the part is, at which place in New York will the first Indian flag will be hosted? न्यूयॉर्क के किस स्थान पर पहली बार भारतीय झंडा यानी कि तिरंगा फहराया जाएगा? एंड द आंसर इज इन द टाइम्स स्क्वायर. द 3 states न्यूयॉर्क, न्यू जर्सी एंड द फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन एसोसिएशन ऑफ कनेक्शन सेज in a statement that history will be created on 15 August 2020 by forced unfurling on Times Square and the distinguished guest that will be Consul Journal of India Randhir Jaiswal. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question was, recently who published Global Wealth Report 2019 and what is in India's rank in it? And the answer is Credit Suisse has released this report and India attains the 5th position. And the second question which I have asked was, which country became the first in the Arab world in producing nuclear energy? And the answer is UAE, United Arab Emirates. Now let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So the first question for you is, what do you understand by the term Han Ban? And the second question for you is, why was Marawa Island recently seen in news? So these are the two questions, guys. If you know the answers of these two questions, do tell in the comment section. Otherwise, in the next video, I'm going to tell the answers of these questions. Till then, Thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updated videos, and don't miss to hit the bell icon.